Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I will learn you how to use TikTok application in India, because India is already banned TikTok Lite, everything is banned in India. So I'm gonna show you how can you use this TikTok application in India. So first you need to launch on your Google Play Store. And guys, I will show you step by step, so stay watching carefully and don't skip any step. If you skip any step, you don't understand anything, so that's not worked. So first of all, go to your Google Play Store. Here you can see this is Google Play Store. Now you need to go search bar, and after go to search bar, then type TURBO, then search it. Okay, after that you get this application Turbo VPN. You need to install this Turbo VPN. Look at this logo carefully, and you need to install this Turbo VPN on your Android device or your mobile phone. Okay, that's complete. After install this Turbo VPN, then let's back. And now you need to open this Turbo VPN. Here you can see this is Turbo VPN. Just open it. Okay guys, after open your Turbo VPN, then you need to connect it. There have a option. Just tap on this carrot button. Then here you can see it's connecting. It's loading now. So you need to wait for a few moments for connecting. Here you can see it's already connecting. Sorry for that. Okay guys, here you can see it's already connected. Location is United States. So you must be connect without India. Any country you can connect without India. If you connect India, you cannot use it. So you need to connect without India. Any country you can connect. Here you can see, go to this flag. Every country is here. You can connect any country without India. So, okay, there you can see it's connected. So let's back. And now you can open your TikTok application. You need to wait guys, that's surprise. Here you can see your TikTok application already worked in India. You know that India is not, TikTok application is not work in India, but I am showing you your TikTok application is worked in India. So guys, in this process you can use, or in this step by step you can use, and then you can use TikTok application on India. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Thank you.